All right. Hello, everyone, and welcome to another Metaverse Monday with XpertVR. Today we're in Shapes XR, and this is a really cool Metaverse platform where you can have a multiplayer experience where people can come in and interact within a space. But unlike other platforms that we've been showing where it's more about games or strictly for meetings, uh, this application is more for product design, prototyping, and creating, um, from what I can understand here, creating a space where different people can come in and work together to work on a new idea and kind of bring it to life and sketch it out. So this could be for creating a prototype of something that you're researching in the real world, or it could be creating a prototype of some kind of VR simulation that you want to create and just kind of getting the layout and understanding of it. So really cool free app. This is the first time I'm using it, to be honest. And you can see here, you have your time on the inside here. You can see your two Oculus controllers, just the top half of them. You can see your joystick rotate, and differently than some of the other simulations out there, you don't teleport using the joystick, you don't move around using the joystick. It's very similar to Tilt Brush if you use that application before, where you use the two inside triggers and you kind of can zoom in and out to look at things, but you can also use these kind of like ski poles to move around. But anyways, there's all kinds of cool features here. There's a bunch of different shapes, so just regular shapes that you can grab and bring into the space. But then they have different UI menus. So if you want to have something connected to another thing, different, you see I have a table here and now a laptop. Whoops, put that a little behind. There we go. Can bring in a person. So can set up this like whole space. This is really cool. And you can share and upload your own 3D models. Then there's looks like drawing capabilities. So yeah, very similar to Tilt Brush if you've used that before, except this seems to be a little more for prototyping and not just for art like it is in Tilt Brush. So you can go in and change the colors of things. Really interesting. So here, let's XpertVR, very cool. Still, to be honest, getting the hang of everything, but let's see here. You can just add in text. Nice. Doesn't have the voice functionality, which I like with spatial, which we showed last week. In there, you can just talk and you don't have to type everything out. Keyboards aren't the best in a virtual reality space, but still pretty good to be able to bring in these kind of boards with text in them, completely interact with objects. If you want to have a call out, I would assume, yep, you just grab on the sides. Now you can scale different things up or down. Just grab them with both your controllers. Very cool environment. So yeah, great tool here, completely free. Color, interesting. Completely free tool here that you can go in and create. Puts the camera here. Interesting. Sorry. So completely free tool that you can jump into here on your Oculus Quest, as well as I believe it's available on other headsets. But great to just be able to go in here and let your creativity take you away, but also have some great design tools where you can have a little bit more control than some of the artistic tools that are currently available. And I think this is like a great way to prototype a VR simulation. If you're looking at building a VR simulation, you just wanted to kind of get the look and feel. You could put up some walls, you could put up some different environment assets around, and completely prototype your simulation before presenting it to somebody. And then with working with a company like ours, if a professor came to us with this environment already planned out and just kind of everything placed, it would help us very, very quickly plan out the rest of the simulation and be able to show how we're going to get to what your vision is. So yeah, really cool tool. Check it out. Again, it's Shapes XR and completely free on the Oculus Quest store, and a lot of really fun functionality.